battery replacement, and speaker replacement on Acer TravelMate P249-G2-M laptop. Thank you, Sir Riel, for trusting PTIT Solutions. The Acer TravelMate P249-G2-M laptop underwent a complete battery replacement and speaker replacement service to restore its portability, audio functionality, and overall reliability. The original battery had degraded over time, showing reduced capacity and shorter usage periods, while the built-in speakers were no longer producing clear sound due to wear and hardware damage. These issues limited the device's performance, requiring component replacement to ensure smooth daily use. The service began with a careful disassembly of the laptop to access the internal components. The defective battery was removed and replaced with a brand new, model-compatible battery designed to provide stable power output and longer operational hours. This restored the laptop's mobility, allowing the user to work without being fully dependent on a direct power connection. Next, the faulty speakers were carefully detached and replaced with new, compatible speaker units. The new speakers were installed and connected securely to the motherboard, ensuring proper sound transmission and clear audio quality. After installation, audio tests were conducted to confirm that both left and right channels were functioning correctly and delivering balanced, distortion-free sound output. After reassembly, the Acer TravelMate P249-G2-M was tested extensively to ensure system stability and hardware performance. The new battery successfully powered the laptop for extended periods, while the new speakers restored clear and consistent audio output for media playback, conferencing, and everyday use. Battery replacement and speaker replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.